Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily type this sign, that is the @ sign. So there are two methods I'm going to show you. The first one is the most easiest option, and to do that, all you have to do is select the shift option here and then select this two option here. And as you can see, the @ sign is already typed. Again, shift and select the two option here. This is the most simple and easy way to type this. There is another way, and this is a complicated way to type this one. Go to your start option here and scroll down and find the Windows accessory option. Expand this one and select character map here. Select it here. And here you can see the @ option. Select this option and then click the select option here and just click copy here. And now go to your Word file or any file that you want to type and paste it here. And paste it here. As you can see, the paste version is here. So in these two methods, you can easily type the @ sign. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.